Hi students, today we will discuss about how to find out oxidation number. So before that we are find out oxidation number, some rules are there. So in that, what is the first one rule means, for alkali metals are nothing but first A group elements. So what are alkali metals means, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So these are considered as a alkali metals. If alkali metals, we are find out the oxidation number, what is the value we are taking as a means +1. So what about second rule means, for alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals are second A group elements. So what are second A group elements are means, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. So these are called as a alkaline earth metals. For alkaline earth metals, what is the value we are taking as a means +2. So what about the third rule means, if for fluorine atoms are present, so we are taking as a, what is the value for taking for fluorine means -1. So next one rule, fourth one rule, what is that means, except peroxides and oxygen fluorides and superoxides. So what is the value we are taking in that oxygen means -2. So in peroxides, what is the oxygen value taken as means -1. So if oxygen present on oxygen fluorides, so like O2F2 and OF2. So in that, what is the oxygen value we are taking, that means in O2F2 the oxygen is taking as a, what is the value +1. In OF2, what is the oxygen value we are taking as a +2. So in superoxides, if oxygen value taken as a, what is the value means minus of. In oxygen fluorides like O2F2, what is the value we are taking as a +1. In OF2, the oxygen value taking as a +2. So what is the next one rule means, if hydrogen atoms are present, like what is the value we are taking as a hydrogen means +1. If hydrogens are present on which form means hydrides form, the hydrogen value is taking as a -1. And what about for the last rule means, if atoms are present on a neutral molecule state, completely molecule state, what is the oxidation value for that particular neutral molecule means 0. So these are the rules for find out the oxidation number. So based on these rules, we are taking as some examples are there. So in that, what is the first one example we are taking means H2SO4. So in that, initially we are find out what is the oxidation number means sulfur. So we are identified that. So what is the oxidation number in that taking example means we are find out sulfur. So if any find out the oxidation number for particular given atom, we are initially assumed as a find out the oxidation number for particular atom assumed as a X. So in that, which atoms are present among these means hydrogen is there and along with oxygen is there. So how many hydrogens are present in a given examples means 2 hydrogens are there. So first of all we write the formula like this. How many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens. And we are find out the oxidation number for sulfur. So that is taking as a X. And how many oxygens are present? 4 oxygens. So we are write like that. So there is no charge on present on this particular molecule, just like we are taking as a is equals to 0. So hydrogen. So for in that rules, for hydrogen value we are taking as a, already we are known that in rules, hydrogen value is taking as a how much +1. So we are substituted the +1 value for hydrogens and X as it is. And oxygens, we are know that already. In oxygen, except peroxides and oxygen fluoride superoxides, commonly oxygen value is taking as a -2. In that, oxygen is common in state. So there is no peroxide form, there is no oxygen fluoride form, there is superoxide form. So general formation, general formula is there in oxygen. So what is the value we are taking? -2 is equals to 0. So then finally, so 2 into 1, 2 plus X. So plus into minus, minus 4 to the 8 is equals to 0. So then in that minus 8 is there, in that plus 2 is there. So finally x 8 minus 2 means minus 6 is equals to 0, and x is equals to this minus 6, it come to plus 6. So what is the oxidation number for in particularly H2SO4? What is the oxidation number for sulfur? Plus 6. Taking another example, what is that means? Cr2O7 minus 2. So in that we are find out the Cr, underline part which is present Cr. So already we know that in above example, find out the any atom we are taking as a what is that? X. So X means how many chromiums are there in that? 2. So we are taking as a 2 into X. So in that how many oxygens are there? 7 oxygens. Oxygen is a common in state, so that is the way we are taking as a value how much? Minus 2. And what is the charge present on this particular molecule? Minus 2. So 2 into x, 2x, and plus into minus, minus 7 to the 14 is equals to minus 2. So 2x is equals to this minus 14, then come to this side plus 14. So then finally minus 2 plus 14 nothing but plus 12, and then find out x equal to plus 12. This 2 is multiple and this comes it is divisible. So 2 into 1, 2, 6. So what is the oxidation number for Cr2O7? In that Cr means plus 6. So if you like this video, just like and subscribe and share and watch my videos. Thank you.